Hi guys and good morning and welcome to our channel Babes Life in the UE. Today is Sunday guys. Happy weekend everyone. And good morning here in the Philippines. Good afternoon in the UAs. And now I'm cooking this guy. We bought this is in SR guy. 138 pesos siya guy. This kind of sweet potato. 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces. Let's cook guy, but we cook only 4 pieces guy. Okay, we need to boil this and then we need to cook uh we need to cook pancake for my husband. Pancake. We need to wash this first guy, but totally still clean na siya guy eh. But I wash one. Only we boiled 4 pieces. Okay. How are you doing, guys? Thank you so much to all the viewer and subscribing and who supporting our channel, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Have to this sleep, guys. Need to travel to the province on Thursday. I think something wrong this day. I need to add water. Use this water. This is ano, guys? Oh. Get later and we pay 99 pesos. Oh, very quick man. The other one is struggling to open the first one. But this one is quick. Very full. That's enough. Let's cook, guys. Maybe 20 minutes. I'm not sure. Let's do timer, guys. Time now is 8 o'clock. Let's cook, guys. Cook our breakfast. And then after that, we need to cook pancake. Alright. I got some. Ah, wow. Boil immediately after 5 minutes kayo. This is our breakfast. Let's check them after 30 minutes. That's bitter soup inside. Hindi lagi mo laki. Hi guys, let's eat guys. We eat sweet potato for our breakfast. Let's eat. Little ano na may ano, coffee. Wa man siya muliki guys. Hot man hot. Let's try guys. Like this pala to. Mas yummy guys the ano. The is called 70 dish. I told this is white. Why? Why it's ano? It's not white. Yellow. I thought it's white inside. But yellow guys. The purple one is good. It's good also. Look at that guy. Mayroong ano sa gitna. What is for that guy? I don't know what is for that. In the middle. Good. Ito siya is basa. Yung isa niya, yung purple is good. Have ano. In my language is labo. Ganyan yan. But it's fine, guys. This kind of potato, guy, I think this is good, guy, because not too much sweet ba. Some potato is looks like very sweet. Let's eat that. Continue eating. Hi guys. We need to go downstairs, right? The playground area that is located in that third floor. So we make a tour over there, guys. I tour you guys over there. I put the over there down, so that's why not too much people shoe. Let's go downstairs, guys. I need to tour you guys over there. Let's go, guys. It's sunny today. Sorry, guys. I have my clothes over there. And over. Let's go. Because I do laundry yesterday. Let's go, guys. What is the over? We need to look over her. What is this? Other person. I don't know. What is it? Daycare. Daycare room. House roll. Daycare over there, guys. Daycare pala. This is fourth floor, guys. Arenzo Tower. Maganda ang breeze. May guard doon, guys. This is our building over here. Nasa 10th floor kami. I think 20. Over there have gym eh. Like over here. I told you guys. Oh, this is huge. We need to go, I think, this area. We need to go. Ah, very nice. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at that. So amazing view. Time now, guys, is 10. Wow, so very cute. The piece so big. Colorful. Colorful. Very nice. Another surrounding. Look at the ano guy workers. Look at that. Oh no. The workers guy clean up the wall. Oh. Look at that. So beautiful. I like the koi guy. And that this is Venice guy. I love this area. We need to go over there. And look at that, the place. What is this over here, guy? I don't know what is this over here. Amazing. And look at that. Very tall building. This is the playground. Playground for the kid. I don't know what is that over. I need to roam over her first. Very nice. Okay. Another building. Oh. We go now, guys, because people now is not doing activity here. So few people here. So it's good to make a video. Oh, I still have kid right there. Look like so huge area, guys. Huh? Oh yeah, over there. Look like a pool, fountain, but it's still not running. Hmm. Very beautiful. Beautiful flower. Mhm. Beautiful flower. Nice flower. Hmm. We do roaming around, guys. And look at the flowers, so beautiful. Huge. Usually huge, guys. Huge area. I think the end over here. Oh yes, the end. We need to come back. Come back to other area. Grabe kataas ang building. Dito right here. Beautiful area, guys. Very nice. Nice area. Nice area. Right there. Hmm. Ito yung swimming pool. Malaki yung swimming pool nila. Big swimming pool. We need to go this area, guys. I don't know what is this. Need to roaming around. I think the end na over here. Usually very huge area. Oh wow. Look at that. In the back. Yeah. See the back? I think right there is the end. So I need to walk right here. This area. Going to the swimming pool, this area, guys. But I'm not filming over there because have somebody swimming. Just walk right here. This one is at the other side. Look on the other side right here. Very huge area yung playground eh. Look, the angle. This area is so beautiful right here. Guys. Beautiful right here. I don't know. I need to go this first area. Very nice. In the fountain over here. Yeah, very nice. Nice fountain. Usually very huge area. And another like this. Another area right there. And this one. Look at that. I think we do live me right here later. I don't know what is this. Ah, this one is right, go up right there and going to the swimming pool. Oh, the plane, airplane guy. Our flight on ano Tuesday. I need to roaming again, guy. Very huge area. Have swimming pool right there. One swimming. I think not good, guy. If you live in the over there and level 4, I level 3, because look like noise because more people walking the playground. Ah, another fountain right there. No, my husband don't like to walk this because more of ano ba? Have another fountain right there. Look, that's the fountain. I put right here and go around here. Another fountain. Another fountain here, girl. Yes. Plato ba? This is the tennis area, guys. Tennis area. A basketball court also. I think we need to go over there. I think this is the end over there. I don't know. I have tennis also over there. Okay. Yeah, no one to play over there. No. And we try to go down right here. I feel a jungle naman ngayon. Oh, very nice over here. Still have nice view. The other condo. Yeah, look at that. Oh. Nice. Close to the door. Very nice. My husband is there. My husband is there, I saw. Where? Ah, didn't see. Ah, yeah, that over there. 10th floor. Walk in this area. In this area. I'm walking over here again, guys. Mm. I leave my camera right there, but it's fine. No one is. Did you see me? My husband is. Yeah, I think it's time to go live, guys. Right? Tennis area over here. No one is playing now because 11 na, guys. It's the tennis area. I think this to tennis area. Not hot. Over here, the tennis area. Hmm, very nice. I love this place, guys. Dito ako nagla-live, guys, kasi nga mahangin. Very ano, guys. And that's it, guys. I tour you around the ano, guys, playground. Very nice. Very windy. Nice weather. Yeah.